Good evening guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, staying at home and you all are safe. So before starting with the main content of my video, I request you to all please download Aarogya Setu app. It is available on iOS and Android, both the platforms, so that you all are safe and you are keeping others safe as well. So in this video, this is my first DIY project, do-it-yourself project video. And in this we'll be talking about a very common problem that we must have faced in our lives, that is the entry of rats or rodents in your vehicle. So for that I found a very easy fix, and I have this product which I ordered from Amazon. It's called Revolt Rat Repellent. There you go. So this is my second purchase and I'm pretty satisfied with the product, and I have used it in one of my cars and it worked really fine. So I'll post the link in the description below. So in this video I'll show you how to do it in the car, in the engine bay and other areas. So let's start. Pretty nice packaging, and it is properly sealed. That's a good thing. So the direction says shake well before. So guys, the main thing is you will have to spray this thing in the engine bay as I did for my previous vehicle. So we'll start with the areas behind the engine, from where the access is there to the dashboard. So make sure if you have any electrical fittings in which you have got additional wires going through, make sure you are covering that place. So in my case I've added an amplifier and the wiring goes from there, and that is the point, if you can see, from where it goes inside the car. So I'll make sure I'm spraying it along there. I will do it over the engine cover too. The best part of the spray is that it does not give any foul smell. It has a very mint kind of smell. So I think we have covered the main areas of the engine. So the next will be the wheel arches or the fenders, because the rats can enter from here, and just in case अगर कोई अंदर चला गया और फेंडर लाइनर के बीच में बाई चांस रहा और मर गया, then it will be a problem. So I'll be doing the same process for all four wheels. So I'll start with the front right side. Make sure you're doing it near the shock absorber as well, because that is the point from where the rats can enter. It's done. Also near the front bumper, and now the other wheel. So that's it guys. बहुत ज़्यादा स्प्रे करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. A small coating, a light coating will do, and the coating stays around for a month or so, and उसके बाद आप दोबारा कोट कर सकते हो. And if you are frequently washing your vehicle, then I would suggest use it in once in 15 or 20 days. So now I'll be doing the same process for the rear wheels. So guys, we are done here with the coating, and it has given me good results in my previous use. And I can still see that half of the can is still there. I mean, it is good value for money. I got it for around $250 from Amazon. As I mentioned, the link will be in the description. So in case you are facing the same problem, you can buy it and use it. In case of any queries, you can post it in the comment section as well. I'll be happy to answer those. So it's time to say bye, and I'll be back with more DIY videos in my channel. Thank you guys. Stay home, stay safe. So guys, if you like my video, click on the like button, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never ever miss any of my updates.